sweet child, a sweet child. Don't cry your eyes. I try to stand beside you. I love you and I need you. Without you, my heart never. Your body is my strength of soul. Oh my beloved son, oh my beloved son, give your smile every time. Let my heart glad and sing for you. Oh my beloved doctor, oh my beloved doctor, give a silence in my deepest mind. Let my hands give you reward every day, for you are my son.